how to speed up app functionalities on our smart devices. So let's get started. We just move to the settings here. We go to our applications and notifications here. Tap on the see all applications. I want to use Facebook. For this demonstration, I have my Facebook app there. Now we scroll down the list and we search for storage and caching. So we have storage and caching here. Now, as you use your mobile app, these functionalities store a lot of caching data on your smart device, which include some of your settings. So you quickly clear this. Okay, and then you clear your storage. This will delete permanently include files and then accounts and databases and settings. So you clear that, and we have seen that we have all our user data and cache data being cleared, leaving the application size which is 279 megabytes. This will now speed up our mobile application and make it more faster and reliable, so we can use it at any time without causing any inconvenience. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Don't forget to subscribe.